In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add serial number automatically in Excel. I'm going to use formula and table to solve this. Take a look at this worksheet. I have a table here. Well, it's not yet converted as a table. So I have a range of data here, and in column A, I want the serial number to be automatically placed. So if I write an email address here, the serial number should be placed here. Okay. And the second important thing it should do, if I delete, say, row 7, the serial number should automatically adjust it. Okay. And in this tutorial, we are going to solve exactly that. Let's we need to convert our data range as a table. How you can do that? Select the entire data range and go to insert, and then you can click here table, or you can press the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl T. My table has header, that's why I have to check mark this one. Okay, so click OK. It's converted as a table. You can change the table look from here. So this is the table. Okay, now we are going to apply a formula here in the cell A2, and I'm going to place the formula here because first serial number should be placed here. Okay, I'm going to use the rows function here. If you don't know how to use the rows function, you can check out this tutorial. I have already explained that. Now write equal to and write rows. Okay, double click here, and the first cell is A2 here. In my case, write the cell reference according to your worksheet. And now we need to fix it by pressing F4. Okay, now A2 is fixed. Okay, no matter where I drag this formula or copy the formula, this reference should be fixed at A2. Now add a column, and now we need to select the first cell of our serial number column. How we can do that? Click on the second column and use the left key from your keyboard, and it's selected the first cell of your serial number. Okay, which is A2. And here you can see we have the cell name here. Okay, and we need to close parentheses and press enter. You can see our serial number is automatically placed. Okay, the rows function is usually used to count how many rows you have inside your selected range. Here we are going to count rows from the first cell, which is A2, and we fixed it, and this is the reference of each cell in our serial number column. That means if we are in cell A12, our serial number column will automatically represent that cell number, and hence it will count the row number from cell A2 to A12, which is 11. Okay, now if I delete any row, you can see the serial number is automatically updated. Okay, now let's write something here. If I press enter, now you can see our table has automatically expanded, and so does our serial number. Okay, so if you have a table here created and you enter data in any of this column, your table will be expanded, and if your table expands, so does the serial number, and the formula will automatically copy to the next cell. Okay, this is how you add an auto numbering system in your Excel. This is how you can insert serial number in Excel using table and function. Now you should remember one